Arpita Maurya, and I'm third year student of Rajkot Engineering College, Sonbhat. Before to start my presentation, I would like to thank Emotex Information and Technology to providing me this opportunity and to be the part of embedded internship. In that embedded internship, build a project based on microcontroller, which is washing machine. Now we come to our PPT, that is presentation. First slide of my PPT says we are working on embedded system microcontroller project, that is washing machine. Simulation of washing machine. We work on group and my group member's name is Rahul Yadav and my name is Arpita Maurya. We both are different colleges. Now we move to next content, and that is content. Now first is introduction, second is embedded system, third is embedded C, and fourth will be microprocessor and microcontroller. Fifth is project requirement, sixth is introduction to washing machine and project, seventh is project demonstration, and eighth is result and challenges. Ninth is conclusion and acknowledgement. Now we move to next slide. We comes to an introductory part. In introduction, we say, in this presentation, I will cover the concepts that I learned during internship at Emotex Information and Technology, including C programming, microcontroller and interfacing, and software tools like MPLab and PiximLab. I will also showcase my final project, a washing machine simulation, using the PIC16 F877A microcontroller. Now we move to next slide. What is an embedded system? As we know in our day-to-day life, an embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function. Mm, Nowadays, embedded system-based projects or programs are very commonly used in our human life, or in multi-purposes, or in short purposes. We had taken example from our real life access, that is digital cameras. Nowadays, digital cameras are very frequently accessed, and DVD players, which are also based on embedded system, MP3 players, which are also based on embedded system. As in every 90% of houses, there is a microwave oven, which was based on embedded system, photocopies machines, which were based on embedded system, and gaming console, which are also based on embedded system, set-top box, which are also based on embedded system. Now we move to next slide, that is also embedded system. In this we taught about performance and functional requirement. Now in functional requirement we contain standalone, real-time, network and mobile. Real-time, we say that software as well as hardware. Now we move to next slide. What is an embedded C? Embedded C is a basic language which we'll use in our embedded system program or project. Now in embedded C, we learn about block and switch case and loops, arithmetic and logical relation operator, array and pointers, static and recursive functions, string, storage, classes, preprocessor, and microbes. Embedded C is basically a C language which we're using in our embedded system project. This is only the language we use in our embedded system. There is no more languages which are present in our embedded system. In this our project, we also write our program in C language, And also in that program, we talk about microcontroller and microprocessor. What is a microcontroller? Microcontroller is a computer itself, or it is a computer only. It is designed for a specific task. Basically, microcontroller is a mini computer, or ये it is defined for a specific task to perform some activities. All the components are embedded on single chips. In microcontroller, that all the components we need to use that are based on single chips. Now we comes to an microprocessor. What is a microprocessor? Microprocessor is CPU of computer. As we can say, brain of computer, and it can be designed for multi-purposes. It can be used for multi-purposes. Okay. Now memory input output component are only connected externally. Okay. So all over we contribute microcontroller and microprocessor. Now we come to our project requirement, that is embedded C. As we can earlier talk about an embedded C. Embedded C is what? Embedded C is a language which we use in our project, that is based on embedded system. In this project, we write an code which was written in C language. So we use embedded C language. Now we talk about next, that we use MPLAB IDE. MPLAB. In MPLAB IDE, we write our code and simulate our code and get an output. So MPLAB is used for write and code. Xe8 compiler is used to compile our code or get an output from our code. Now PiximLab. PiximLab is used in our project for real-time implementation, that is used for getting real-time access, either how much water is needed, clothes are going to be rinsed or going to be washes, that all the things are included in PiximLab, that we can say it is an real-time access. Now we move to next slide, that is CLCD interfacing. What is CLCD? CLCD stand for Character Liquid Crystal Display. So in this we talk about character liquid crystal display. Okay, now in this display we write ASCII character. We write ASCII character, and next PiximLab provides 16 into 2 and 16 into 4 display. Now in our project there is 16 into 4 display are there. Now we move to next slide, matrix keypad. What is a matrix keypad? Matrix keypad consists of textile switches which are connected in rows and columns. In our project, we use textile switches which is in row and column. It will provide multiple users input interference. As we can see in our diagram or a figure, it is connected in row and column. So this is row and column, and it is cost efficient. It is very efficient in cost and also compact in size. As we can see, it is very compact in size. Now, now
Hello everyone, myself Rahul Yadav. I am a student of third year from the Kanpur Institute of Technology. I would like to thank Fluimer Text Information and Technology to power in this opportunity and to be part of embedded internship. I I am going to represent the PPT presentation. Interrupt. Interrupt, a signal that stop the microcontroller current activity and execute a specific function. Can be triggered by the button, sensor, serial communication, and other peripheral. Interrupt. Interrupt is a signal which terminate the current activity, means that performing a function by the microcontroller, it stop that, and this is terminate the current function. And this is two types of interrupts: hardware interrupt and software interrupt. Hardware interrupt caused by the external device like keyboard, mouse, physical wire, which is connected to microcontroller. Software interrupt caused by the software. This is division, zero crossing, and accessing unallocated memory, good for the high level and non-critical events. And inter-service routine (ISR). It is a piece of code that runs when interrupts occur. Interrupt occur ISR. First, CPU CPU send an interrupt signal to ISR. This when ISR is certain code run that variety of application by motor controller, previous interrupt timing, vital role real processing, and overall the functioning of the compute operating system. And when the interrupt service routine complete, after that is go to the CPU to terminate this. After the interrupt service routine complete, and CPU again start the this older program. Timer. Timer is generate the periodic signals such as pulses, waves, or PWM signal. Means PWM, pulse width modulation signal. Timers is used to measure time intervals such as delay, duration, or a time out, or a countdown. Trigger interrupt when it reads a certain value. Reset themselves when there is the certain value. Timer in this project used for the countdown of the washing cloths like auto, low, medium, high, and max. Five modes of washing. In this mode is used for the countdown, and when it reaches to the uh, final value, then it return to the its original previous screen, and washing is complete, and cooler fan and LCD screen is stop the washing of clothes. Introduction to washing machine. A washing machine is a machine that washes the dirty cloth. It contains a barrel into which cloth are placed. This barrel is filled with water and rotate very quickly to make with water remove dirt from the cloth. Most of washing machines are made so that detergent, liquid or powder can be put into the machine. This can help to make the cloth cleaner. Modern washing machine often include features like multiple wash cycle, temperature control, automatic sensor, and digital display to improve the efficiency and ease of use. And in my project, using a washing machine display, this is a implementation on a software. In this, we using a lot of option like uh, daily, uh, delicate, a lot of option to wash the cloth, and water level like auto, low, medium, high, max functions that I am presenting the project demo in the last. In this, I am completely. This is the project. Modern washing machine often include like feature like multi-cycle, time control, automatic sensor, and digital display, and improve the efficiency, ease of use. Now go to the result and challenges. Successful completion on hand of project. Enhance the programming skill. In this project, I have enriched my skills in coding and debugging the codes This is helpful for me. Industry relevant knowledge, industrial knowledge from this about component and softwares and hardwares. Improved problem solving abilities. From this, I am able to solve the problem like coding in embedded system C programming, stronger professional skills, and understanding complex architecture of hardwares and softwares, how to implement it, how to load files in the implementation of washing machine like that. In this PIC microcontroller, I have learned from the hardware and as well as software debugging through hardware interfacing issues, how to interface and what issues when interfacing the hardwares, and time management, how to manage the time for the like washing, how much time to take the watch and washing the cloth and stop it. Now I'm going to conclusion. In this, the internship has been enriching and insightful experience, providing me with a strong foundation in microcontroller programming and as well as embedded system. Throughout the internship, I had the opportunity to work on real-time project, gain hands-on experience, and enhance the technical problem-solving skill in C and coding. I have gained deeper and understanding of microcontroller, embedded SIM programming, peripheral interfacing, debugging techniques, and real-time application. The practical exposure to industry standard tools and methodologies that has significantly contributed to my professional and technical growth. Overall, this internship has been crucial stepping stones in my career, reinforcing my interest in embedded system and motivating me to explore further advancement in this field. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn from Emertech's information technology and look forward to apply my knowledge in future projects and professional endeavors. Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Emertex Information Technology Private Limited for providing me with opportunity to complete my internship on microcontroller. This internship has been a valuable learning experience that has enhanced by my technical knowledge and practical skills. I am extend my heartfelt thanks for my mentor Gaupriya S. Ma'am and trainer at Emertex Information Technology for their constant support and guidance and encouragement throughout the internship. Their expertise and insight have greatly contributed to my interest and understanding of emergent system and microcontroller programming. This experience has been instrumental in shaping my technical skills, and I look forward to applying the knowledge gained in future endeavor. Rahul Yadav, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Kanpur Institute of Technology. Project demonstration. I am making a single video for a demo. In last, from this PIC microcontroller, I am making lots of projects using the PIC PicGenius board PIC 16 app AdSense and a microcontroller. This is a very useful microcontroller. Thanks for Immertext Information and Technology. Apply the code on this. Load. This is the file washing machine pro. Press key 5 to on washing machine. Press key 5. This is so on the screen. So press 5. This is on. After on the key, I will press the mode as switch 4. This is lot of option like washing daily, heavy, delicate. This is the option. So long press the switch 4 to says the water level. So long press coming to the next screen. This is the water level. In water level, this is the 5 mode. This is low, medium, high. I'm selecting this. uh, then we select the auto. Auto is selecting for the timer is on. Timer for washing is going on. Washing the cloth is showing. The timer is about from the board. This is timing of the, say, press switch 5 to on. Press to start the washing. My cooler fan is on. This timing 46 seconds. To this completely going to fan is on. Washing is on. To stop this, we switch 5 and 4, 5 and 6. To stop, we press the switch 6. To stop from this, I will press the key. Press key. This my fan is off. Means the uh, program is washing is off. Restart, we press the switch 5. Pressing the switch 5 on. This is after completing the time. The buzzer is show to me to off this completely washing cloth and off. And we previous to the screen. So wait for this buzzer. So see from there the complete buzzer on. The open program is completely. So this beginner's board using lots of program.